everybody! Today we're going to be talking about Google Drive, specifically how to make a folder, make a new document, and how to share that document with other people. So, as you can see, I just have a normal Google search page turned up here. I am logged into my Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you will need one, so I suggest you create a Gmail. But for now, I am logged into mine. So in order to access your Google Drive, all you have to do is click this box right here. It's like a square here with a whole bunch of dots. It's your Google Apps button. So when you click on that, it'll give you a whole bunch of options here, but the one that you're going to want to pick is Google Drive right here. So when we click on that, we get all of our storage. This is where all of your projects, your files, your documents, and everything will be. Now, in order to organize this a little better, you may want to make a folder. As you can see, I already have folders for most of my classes here, including EDCI 270. But to make a new folder, all you have to do is go up to the New button here. You're going to want to click on that, and right up here at the top, they're going to have a New Folder button. So you just click on the folder here, and it'll have the option for you to title your new folder and create it. I already have an EDCI 270 folder, so we're just going to use that there. But this is how you make a new folder. You just title your folder here and you create it. So, to access your folder, it'll pop up right here in your folder section, and you just double click and it'll take you to all of your projects. So far, these are all of my projects for this class. Now, say you want to make a new document for this folder, say you're working on a project or working on an assignment and you need a Google Doc. What you're going to want to do is go back up to this New button. You'll push that, and down here they give you a bunch of options to do a whole bunch of stuff. What you're going to want to do is click on Google Docs. So when you click on that, it'll open a new tab with a new document. So let's say EDCI is pretty cool. Perfect. So then you're going to want to title your document. As you can see, when you click on it, it already titles it what you've made, but you can rename it whatever you like. I'm going to name it that. And it's pretty cool. So then when you go back to your EDCI 270 tab over here, your document will be here. So now let's say I want to share this document with another person. Say I'm working in a group project and I need to, everybody needs to collaborate in some way. What you're going to want to do is open your document here. And on this side, in the right hand corner, they'll have a share button. So you will push the share button here and it'll have the option to put in another email. So let's say I want to put in a friend's email here. Let's just use, let's see here. We'll use a friend from another class here. So as you can see, his name already pops up. So we're just going to click on that here, and it'll give you the option to notify the person and create a message. Now in this little settings button up here, it'll show you what the editor or who you're sharing it with is able to do. So with these current settings, they can change the permissions, and they can share this document with other people, and they can comment, they can download it, they can print and copy, they can edit it, they can do whatever they need to collaborate with you. So then you just have to push send, and it will send them a notification through their email saying that you shared a document with them, and you guys will be able to collaborate. So that's pretty much that. That is how you share a document, that is how you create a document, and access your Google Drive and create folders.